Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. You can hear our 74 GMC running. Yes, AM radio still works. Fan switch is broke. Blinker to the left. I don't see the blinkers working. Nope. Must need a blinker switch. Horn is in off. Wipers work. Pretty cool radio works. Belt's still on the AC. Looks like headlights don't work either, so she needs some exterior lighting work, but like I said, it does run pretty smooth. We have gotten all the old gas out of it. Exhaust, so you got tail lights working. So might be just the headlight bulbs that are bad. This is tail light bulb though too. So might need some bulbs, probably a blinker switch, heater switch, and then if you wanted the horn to work, of course, nothing on the dome light either. So project, but like I said, runs, drives good, big block, 454 factory. 605-695-7391.